In this video, I'm going to quickly show you my honest, exact routine for how I control my hair fall. I've gotten a lot of questions in the comments wanting to know exactly what I do, when, how, and for how long, and what brands I use, and this video is all about answering that. My routine consists of distilled water, organic coffee, 2 spray bottles, a fine-tooth comb, clippers, ketoconazole shampoo, white vinegar, a derma roller, and a shower brush. For now, I still keep my hair shaved down to 3 millimeters so I can easily access the scalp. In my personal experience, the closer you keep your hair while derma rolling and applying topicals, the easier it is for those treatments to improve the scalp and the hair. Do not try to baby weak or thin hairs. You want to make room for stronger hairs in the future. Eventually, as my crown continues to thicken, I will someday move my guard up. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I hang my head over the sink and spritz my scalp with a bottle of white vinegar. I do this to remove any mineral buildup that might have come from hard water, as well as dead skin on my scalp. After 10 minutes, I rinse my hair with filtered water from the shower and I apply my shampoo. I do use a shampoo with ketoconazole. Living in a very hot and humid climate, it helps to prevent fungal growth, and in my personal experience, it also prevents dandruff. I rake the shampoo through my hair with a comb and leave it for about 20 minutes. When applying this product, I try and apply it in a similar way to the studies that I read about on the NIH website. After the 20 minutes have passed, I rinse the shampoo out of my hair in the shower while brushing my scalp. I gently brush my scalp anywhere from 1 to 5 minutes with a shower brush. After my shower, I sanitize my derma roller. I then roll and stamp my scalp, focusing on the thin areas. I derma roll every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. My time doing this varies and is steadily decreasing as my hair gets thicker, but I would say that a good estimate of my total time spent derma rolling is no more than 10 to 15 minutes. For a more detailed explanation of how I derma roll, there is a video linked at the end called Derma Rolling Results 30 Days, which explains it all. The next step is optional. I put Vaseline around my thin spots and hairline. I find that it helps to improve my hair's strength in thin areas and reduce dryness and dandruff. In addition, a single study using animal skin found Vaseline along with massage to be effective at increasing the absorption of topicals. Tiny amounts of water squeezed from the skin while massaging, along with the topicals trapped in the Vaseline, created a blend that allowed the topicals to more easily and deeply penetrate the skin. As I said, this step is completely optional. My hair is very coarse and curly and tends to get dry, so I can handle heavier products like Vaseline on my hair and scalp. If your hair is straighter or you're of a more European descent, you may wish to avoid this heavy product in your hair. I always apply this before I spritz my coffee solution. I hang my head over the sink and spritz my crown with my coffee water solution. I then rake the solution through my hair with the comb and remove any excess with tissue. Make sure to wipe your hairline and forehead of any product to avoid breakout. To make the coffee spray, I mix 1 tablespoon of instant coffee with 2 cups of water. For a more targeted treatment, you can make a coffee paste by putting half a baby spoon of instant coffee and half a baby spoon of water in a dish and mixing them together. If it's too thick, add a few drops of water to your preference. If it's too watery, let it sit for a few minutes and it will harden as more water evaporates and is absorbed by the remaining coffee. After the paste is done, I apply it to my thin areas and leave it while I do other things. I rinse it out 30 minutes to an hour later. I wash my hair 2 to 3 times a week, and after each shower, I apply the coffee solution. Everything I use can be gotten at your local beauty supply, pharmacy, or Walmart. They can also be ordered online from most major establishments. There are no exotic brands, nothing is sponsored. You can purchase organic products if you wish, but non-organic probably won't kill you. I wanted to keep this routine as basic and simple as possible, not just for me, but for others who might wish to see if the same routine can work for them. If you are following my routine or techniques, keep me updated on your results in the comments. And remember, this routine is what has worked for me to cure my alopecia. Results may vary among others. Always consult a medical professional before making any major change to your routine. I will see you in the next video. Have a good one.